Brooke with WTI. I have this amazing wooden rocking chair by Fortune Candy.
This rocking chair is amazing for how comfortable it is. It has the perfect recline and my lower back is just so at ease. There's no pressure and it's not reclined so much that I'm uncomfortable or my neck gets sore. It is just so nice. I could fall asleep in it. I love the fact that it makes almost no noise. It is so cool because I live on a top story and I was really worried and concerned about this rocking chair and the noise that it would make. It is so quiet. This is a beautiful wood and very durable. When it rained, I seen that the wood is sealed and no water got inside or absorbed into it. So being outside, this rocking chair is going to last for a very long time. It was very well made. And I love the fact that it was easy to assemble. It wasn't difficult to follow the instructions and very fun, very quick. This is just nice with the armrest. It's wide enough for me to sit my glass on, and it's just a nice design. I'm not squeezed into this chair either. It's a wider chair, so I feel good. And also it can hold up to 600 pounds. So this rocking chair was really made so well, and I'm really glad that it just looks so awesome on my porch and would look awesome on anyone's porch because you could add any decor that you want.
And that's my point of view.